lived a little girl that everyone called Little Red Riding Hood. She always wore a red cape with a hood, a gift from her grandma. One day, her mother baked some buns and said to Little Riding Hood, "Oh, don't stop, go straight there. Stay on the path, please take her." "I promise," replied the little girl. "So this is Little Red Riding Hood, and this is her grandma."
Kalamay mo.
Ikaw ba si ano, si Chubby Mouse? On her way to Grandma's house, Little Red Riding Hood came across a big wolf. "All alone?" asked the wolf. "I am going to my granny. I am going straight there. I'll stay in the path and take good care," she answered quickly. "Are you sure that this is the quickest way to get to your grandma?" Yan. In fact, the wolf rushed to Grandma's house before her. Without waiting a second, he rushed to Grandma's bedroom and googled up the four lady bonnet, glasses and all. Then, he put on one of Grandma's night dresses. Softly. Takot ka sa wolf? Trembling Little Riding Hood shrieked, "Grandma, what a big mouth you have! As big as an oven. All the better to eat you with," shouted the wolf, who couldn't restrain himself any longer. He leaped out of bed and gobbled up the girl. When satisfied,
Go.
are you okay?
Yes.
He sprawled out on Grandma's bed and fell. Yan, episode 3 na. Yan. In a blink of an eye, the animal
Go.
was snoring like a trombone. A hunter who happened to pass by heard that racket and peeped into the bedroom through the open curtains. When he saw the wolf sprawled out on Grandma's bed, he thought, he must have eaten up Grandma. So he crept into the house, grabbed a pair of long and pointy scissors, sneaked into the bedroom, and zigzagged. He cut open the wolf's tummy. Then he pulled up Little Red Riding Hood and her grandma out of the wolf's tummy. After the hugs and tears of happiness, the hunter decided to teach that scallywag of a wolf a lesson he wouldn't forget. Then they carried him outside and laid him down under a tree. When the wolf awoke and tried to get up, he staggered and fell over with a big thud. To celebrate grandmother and granddaughter and the hunter had a picnic with the buns.